Maybe I have to start blinking very slowly, just to make everything disappear in front of me, just to have some peace, just to have some darkness. Everything is always there, so beautiful, so light, so blue, so boring. White noise, blue noise. Is this blue covering everything? If everything is blue, so nothing is blue. Blue red fox, blue white swan, blue dragonflies, blue, blue, and blue again. If everything is blue, nothing is blue. If everything is blue, nothing is blue. Over their eyes, even blue dragonflies. If nothing is blue, which one is my favourite colour? If nothing is blue, then what colour is this? We are made of water, but where is this water from? Are we lake people? Lakes everywhere. Lakes everywhere. Lake inside the red wooden house. Lake inside the bus station. Lake inside the supermarket line. Lakes near the midsummer fire. Lake everywhere. Blue eyes everywhere. Blonde hair lake everywhere. I am a lake, a blue lake among lakes. Lakes everywhere. Foggy, quiet lakes. Lakes working. Lakes loving each other. Lake. Lake in sauna, drunk lake. Lakes everywhere. Naked lake. Blue eye. Blonde hair. Lakes everywhere. Everywhere. If we are made of water, then where does this water come from? And if we are lake people, then where do we come from? From the blue. From the blue of night. From the blue of day. Into night. Into night.